Have you ever wondered what does the term ice swimming means? What it is? What does it do? And why would someone do it? Well, wonder no more. Let's find it out together. In order to find out what is ice swimming, we came all the way to Central Finland just before Christmas so that we can find out firsthand for ourselves what is ice swimming and how to do it properly.
Ice swimming is more like a dip into water or moving a short distance in cold water. If you have a normal health condition without any heart problems, high blood pressure or else, ice swimming is safe. However, if you're not sure or have any doubts of unidentified health problems, it's best to check with your doctor beforehand, as ice swimming is not recommended if you have any heart-related issues.
Ice swimming and sauna, they go hand to hand. So before we go and actually try out ice swimming, we will get our sauna going so we have a warm place to warm up our body after the actual ice dipping. This is our sauna. It's quite a traditional Finnish sauna, as you can see. And in this bucket we have some cold water. In this one we have some soon to be hot water, and we already got the fire going here. And this is the area where actual sauna is. That's where people sit and they steam. Before we can start ice swimming, first we need to make a hole in a frozen lake. And in order to do that, we need to clean the snow and break the ice where we actually gonna have our ice swimming hole. quite a funny thing happened. Just when I was breaking the ice, a local neighbor who is a fisherman just passed by me to go ice fishing. So I'll try to tell you more about ice fishing here in Finland in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned. In order to cozy up our swimming hole, I prepared a great surprise for you. Our sauna is now ready. It has been going already for some time, so soon we will get into our sauna, warm up before we actually get to go to ice swimming. I'm actually quite pumped and ready to try out this experience. Please let us know down in the comments if you ever have done ice swimming, or would you actually do ice swimming? And if you have, let us know how you felt afterwards or even before.
The combination of extremes like hot and cold, sauna and ice swimming is said to be very healthy. But why on earth should you go ice swimming in freezing ice cold water right after warmth of the sauna? Well, it's quite simple. The feeling that you get is euphoric. It's not easy to explain by words, you just need to experience it. Ice swimming provides you with a better resistance to cold weather, improves your immune system, helps to breathe and sleep better, and releases all the stress. Because of all these effects, many people even get addicted to ice swimming in Finland.
Just came from a second round of ice dipping or ice swimming, and like that, the feeling is amazing. Because once you're in the water, you feel how cold it is. But as soon as you get out, even though you're super cold and freezing, you realize how your body automatically is somehow warming you up. So your blood is gushing and warming up your body. So the thrill, the adrenaline is simply amazing. I hope this video was useful and you enjoyed learning more about ice swimming. See you in the next videos, and Merry Christmas!